Good YouTube, it's your boy Jay back with another video, man. Back with another reaction video. Look, we got Bird SelfMade in the building, man. Free Tevin official music video. If you don't know Bird, man, it's an artist from Opelousas, you know, Louisiana thing, man. It's a Louisiana thing. You know, I'm rocking with all Louisiana artists, man. You hit me up if you want me to, you know, react to your videos, man. So we finna get to this, man. Before we get to this video, y'all subscribe to the channel, like this video up, man. Comment down below what you think of the music. We up from here. Let's get it. Turn it up.
That's hot boy talking, man. Shout out to Bird, man. Fucking nigga, dog. Bird, man. Say that, talk your shit, dog. Stop in this water. You better know how to swim. Like more than combat.
Hold up. You can't on that bit eating. Hold on now, Bird. Hold up now, boy. Hold on now, boy.
That's hot boy talking, man. Shout out to Bird, man. Fucking nigga.
Turn me up a little bit.
Say that, talk your shit, dog. Stop in this water. You better. Yeah, I fuck with that. Boy. I fuck with that. Know how to swim, like more than combat. I swear I'm gonna finish him. Y'all shooting leg, but I'm aiming the butter chin. Try to spin again, and I'ma put that in pile on round.
Yeah.
I ain't saying nothing, I'm running down on you.
I don't know if it's just me. Bird remind me of Lil Tech now. Some people call him TEC, I call him Tech. If y'all know Tech, y'all, he resemble, you know, Tech a little bit, but you know, I guess it's a Louisiana thing, man. Louisiana nigga light skin with some dreads, you know, you can compare him to somebody. Tech Fido, I fuck with Tech, yeah.
First time I see, I swear you gon' take this medal. These niggas riding, but swear they convicted felons. Park the car, hop out on feast and J Black to go spit his medal. They false acting, they living shit, they be rapping. Shout out to Shane out the window, he went to class. Go out like Tevin, behind my brother, I'm crashing. Take my lick, go do a joke as I hit the barracks, I'm flashing. Never lose, bitch, I play the game to win. It's time to spend, demolish him, and there's got to forget my sin. Them babies bad.
Yeah. Look, y'all I don't know. I don't think I was even doing YouTube when around 2014. Me and my dog, man. I fuck with Bird. I fuck with Bird though. You feel me? Me and my dog was I did a little at YCP I did down south, man. We, you know, we were getting it in, having fun and shit, man. But yeah, I fuck because been rapping. You feel me? He been rapping. He was doing music in YCP and shit. He rapping freestyles and shit like that. You feel me?
Rip up whatever truck you come in, don't do no cap, and if it's beef, I'ma put your life to an end. See full of killers, they be begging for a body. Shout out to TJ, yeah, I'm fucking with them hotties. Run down with glizzes, I'm calling for the shot. If you look raw about that can, you can't go in if you ain't bout. 31 be capping.
Hold on, he had a hold on, let me rewind, hold on.
Killers, they be begging for a
They got a Draco with a drum on it, man.
I'm fucking with them hotties. Run down with glizzes, I'm calling for the shot.
Ooh, Lord.
Can't go in if you ain't bout.
Hey.
31 be capping, we spent the bank out the cap and slam the Glock till it went decock, stop acting if you be raised.
Man, fuck 31, fuck GTB and all them niggas that ain't no below. Man, fuck all y'all niggas, my gang got no game. Straight like that. When I get you, it's up. For real, nigga, you.
Ooh, they throwing slang. Ooh, they into it with somebody.
They were living like that, you cop out at Walmart, so stop acting like you like that. And GTB, man, we made y'all cop out at Go Bell. We seen Cuba on the back end, you wanna look our way. Cause you like that. Cuba got beat up on Cherry Bank, flushed him, now you can't come back, you need a pack.
Hey, that Drake fire, I ain't gonna like her. I ain't just no gun, you know, I ain't just fun with guns, you feel me? But that been fire. I don't even, you know, I'd rather throw these, you feel me? I'd rather throw hands and shoot, but, you know, it is what it is. If you gotta do what you gotta do, you feel me?
Dumb niggas don't never wanna spill on our block. We catch them lacking and it's over the time. We in your section sticked up with them glides. They got playing X-ray eyes and they got style. Babe, what? Man, I be fucking down, man. Y'all niggas in there chilling like that, man. Say, man, I'm fucking with you, boy.
Say, Bird, man, I fuck with you, boy. Yeah. Oh, hold on. It is what it is. Hey, that was Bird SelfMade, man. Free Tevin official music video. That's my dog, though. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't saying, you know, I fuck with his music because I fuck with him. You feel me? I fuck with him and his music. You feel me? That's how it is, man. But y'all go check him out, cuz. Bird SelfMade, Free Tevin, official music video. He from Opelousas. He from Opelousas, man. I need to go fuck with my boy though. You feel me? Look, subscribe to the channel, man. Like this video up. Comment down below what you think of the music, man. We up from here. Let's get it.